Hi everyone, Sherry here, and welcome. I finished making a coat, finally. You may have noticed that it's been hanging on Madeline in other videos in the background. And I think I made this in the spring. Yes, I think I did. I had it all cut out and ready to go for the spring. Thought I'd be smart and have it all ready. And you can see that it's all finished. Listen to that, snaps. Well, the reason why I didn't finish it is because when I put the snaps on the pockets, I did them wrong. And I was upset because you got to poke a hole through your fabric to get the snaps on there. So I got Roy, he helped me and fixed it so you can see these work. But then I was out of snaps, and then I was afraid to put them on because I thought, well, they're not going to work. So the snaps that I bought, there's 6 in a package, and because I racked these ones, now they're slightly different. They're both brass, but this one is a little darker. But I don't think you can, it's that noticeable. Anyway, they work. And they don't fly off. If they do, I might cry. There are worse things in the world to happen. But it's funny what'll put you off a sewing project and then you leave it and just don't want to deal with it. So that was the thing for me, because the only thing left was I had to take out some basting stitches for when I sewed the placket on and the snaps. And I think I had to put the casing, finish the casing. That was it. That's all that was left on this coat. It was completely finished. So I am quite proud of myself that I got the snaps I got them all on there and they work and they snap together. That's exciting. It may not sound exciting, but that's what put me off of this project. So it's finished. I will try it on. It's not a lined coat, it's just a shell. So this is made of canvas. And I have camouflage lining the hood, and for the facings, for the inside of the pocket, and the pocket lining in there. So this will be a good jacket to wear in the mornings when I go for my walk or to the store or whatever. I will wear this coat. So the pattern that I used is glasses, Simplicity 8843. It's a popular one that people have been trying. And the view that I made is a combination of ABC. So, because it has a hood, which would be view A or B. So it's probably closer to view A, but I didn't put the covers on these pockets. And as you can see, there's no chest pockets. And the casing is on the outside of the jacket. So me being me, I just gotta do my own thing. So I added chest pockets on both sides. And I didn't want the covers over, or the flaps over the pockets here. And these are put on a slight slant, so you can put your hand in there. I obviously add the placket with the snaps, and I put a hood on. Now when I bought this fabric, I didn't plan on making a hood, and then I thought, oh, I'm going to try the hood. And it does have some pleating in here where you attach the hood on, so it's a nice size hood, but there's no drawstring in the hood, which I'm sure could be added if you really wanted to. And I use the elastic sleeves, so it has an option, no elastic or elastic. And I wanted the casing to be on the inside, and I didn't want the strings on the outside. So that's not that great big of a deal, but I know I would get those caught on stuff and be knocking displays over in stores and heaven knows what. So I have my little bobble thing, and my casing is all cat hair everywhere on there. So yes, I should probably try this on and show you. I'm quite pleased with this coat. I think you can almost see it. Put it up. I think if I was going to make this again, I would make the sleeves, because I'm quite tall, I would make it a little bit longer, like down here, a couple inches longer. And I might make the sleeves. I think they're okay, but yeah. And if I wear a sweater under this, I think it'll be plenty warm. So, got all the pockets. And the hood. Alright. There. Oh, knocked my glasses off. So, there's the coat. I'm going to be hitting the thing. So I'm quite pleased with how this turned out. I would definitely make it again. It doesn't come with a lining in the pattern, so, but I really like this coat. And I like the strings being on the inside. So, I don't think there's much more to tell you about this coat. It's a good pattern. I would recommend it. The possibilities of fabrics that you can use for this is probably a lot. I used a canvas and a ripstop camouflage for the inside. Of course, I could have done it the other way around. And in my fabric shop, I have camouflage fabrics and some stretch denim, which would be great for this coat. And I have some lightweight wools that would work as well too. So I will put the name of my business right at the bottom of here. So if you want to check out some camouflage, because I have it for sale on my website. Yeah, I would make this again. And I am no longer afraid of snaps. I know that sounds ridiculous, but things that put you off. So I think that's all I have to say about this coat. I would watch the length of the sleeves. That's not bad length. But I really like this coat. I'm quite pleased with it. And putting chest pockets on, which isn't in the pattern either. Not a big deal. So I didn't really make any changes. I just did my own thing. That's all I have to share with you this week. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye everyone.